Welcome to your weekend forecast for Scotland from the Met Office. A fine day to come for most of the country on Saturday. May just be one or two scattered showers here and there. Still a few showers around on Friday evening, tending to drift away from the south, but we'll keep showers feeding in overnight across the north and along the west coast. For many, though, inland, it'll be dry and clear and with fairly light winds. Get into that time of year where temperatures really start to fall away at night. And we're likely to see temperatures, certainly through some sheltered glens, dip down to 0 to +1. Most towns and cities dipping well down into single figures. There'll be a bit of a breeze still blowing across the Northern Isles and still defeating in one or two showers here through the night and into first thing on Saturday morning. Could be some showers early on also across the borders. They should tend to fade away fairly quickly. And then, as I say, the odd one across Aberdeenshire and the Northern Isles in the morning, and perhaps again one or two showers maybe coming into the borders during the afternoon, but pretty well scattered for the vast majority across Scotland. It's a dry and a bright day with sunny spells, a bit breezy across the east coast perhaps at times, but generally the winds are pretty light, which means although we're starting fairly fresh, feeling pretty pleasant by the afternoon, certainly warmer than many days recently, up to 15, 16, possibly even 17 degrees Celsius. Not feeling too bad at all for this stage in September. Temperatures will drop quite quickly, I suspect, on Saturday evening, so bear that in mind if you're heading out. Most places across the country will be dry and clear, just clouding over a little bit across the far northwest, and that's signs of a change as we go into Sunday. Certainly a cloudier day in the west. A bit of patchy rain initially, but most places looking dry and bright for much of the day. Some sunny spells in the east, giving way to thicker cloud by the end of the day. And here comes that change, quite a noticeable change by the end of Sunday, with wet weather coming in across the Highlands, the Western Isles and the Northern Isles, and also turning windy. So just bear that in mind. If you're going up into the mountains this weekend, it is going to change quite dramatically come Sunday afternoon, turning very windy and also increasingly wet as this band of wet weather swings southwards. Ahead of that, we could still get up to 15 or 16 Celsius, but feeling cooler, certainly as the wet and windy weather swings in. That will continue to push across the country quite rapidly on Sunday evening, leaving behind a cold wind for Monday. Keep up to date with the latest forecast as we go through the weekend by following the Met Office on social media.